Hey guys, it's George from Currys. Now today I'm going to be showing you how to take care of your washing machine using these 3 top tips. Keeping the drawer fresh, cleaning the filter and running the machine on a hot wash. Now I'm going to head over to the studios to show you this in more detail. The first tip on taking care of your washing machine is keeping that detergent and softener drawer fresh. This is important to do because there might be a buildup of old liquid in there, which could lead to unwanted smells and the washing machine not washing properly. It's important to do this regularly for those reasons, but let's have a little look how easy it is to do. So what you do is just pull out the drawer and then push down on here and then it just pops out. Then pop this in the sink with some soapy water and give it a good clean. Now this stops a build-up of limescale, mould and other germs. And a top tip for you, if you've got a toothbrush, then it's really good at getting into all those nooks and crannies. So let's get this back into the washing machine. In terms of the inside of the washing machine, it's really important to keep both the drum and the seal clean, or this will lead to a build-up of bacteria, which will end up smelling really bad. Tip 2 is about cleaning the filter. Now a lot of washing machines have a filter, but some don't, but it basically catches all the loose bits within the wash. Now it's important to clean this regularly to stop blockages and leaks, and I'm going to show you how to do it, but first, before you touch the filter, you must turn off the washing machine. We're going to open the filter door and unscrew the filter anti-clockwise. Once it's out, you can see if there's any bits in there that are causing any blockages. You can pull them out, or if it's a little bit tough, you can soak it. And once you've given it a good rinse, you can pop it back in the machine, screw it in, and shut the door. The third tip is running a hot wash. Now, some machines have a drum clean cycle, but if yours doesn't, we recommend you run a hot wash at least once a month with an empty drum to get rid of all the bacteria. So you can do this in one of 2 ways. Whack your machine up to 90 degrees or higher and use 500 milliliters of white vinegar. You honestly will not believe the results. If you don't have any white vinegar, it doesn't matter. You can use a dishwasher tablet and you'll get similar results. Now, one final tip for you. Once you finish using the washing machine, you can actually open the detergent drawer and the drum door, and it will help reduce any damp smells by giving it a good air out. If you want to find out more information, why not visit us in store, head online, or chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.